Unmasking is the process of revealing and embracing yourself, letting go of the effort to hide, any autistic traits or masking to fit into society or what people expect. A few tips to unmask are self-reflection and self-acceptance. Take time to really see what you think your identity is and how you've been hiding and masking it. Acknowledge and accept all of your artistic individuality. Sorry, I can't speak. Educate yourself. Understanding more about your autism can help you develop a positive self-image. Challenge those negative stereotypes and misconceptions that you have internalized. Seeking support, a friend, a family member, a therapist, or neurologist, anybody you feel comfortable with, honestly, you could be comfortable with yourself, but find something to help you. And help you, I mean, with like setting boundaries or communicating your needs, establishing, how you want to communicate and how you want to express yourself. Make sure that you prioritize, self-care activities, things that you really do enjoy, even those weird, quirky habits you think you have. Embrace yourself. Unmasking is a personal journey and the process can take time. Everybody's process is different, and it's important to be gentle with yourself and navigate this process of self-discovery and acceptance with, care, gentleness. I don't know. I'm a little bit clumsy with my words. If you accept yourself, people have no choice than to accept you too.